Andy Campbell. My wife and I and our kids had gone swimming at the Y. She was traveling home in a separate car with our 4 children. She's driving in the right-hand lane and a person ran a stop sign, destroyed the front end of the car, broke the steering axle. She was driven across traffic into and over the median and into the oncoming other 2 lanes. She had a really bloody and bruised, swollen knee. My daughter, who at the time was 9, she had lacerations and bruising across her chest from the seatbelt. My oldest son was in the back and he banged his head really good on the top of the car going over the median. After the accident, my assumption is the insurance company should pick it all up. They should pick up the cost of the car. They should pick up any trauma. Our insurance company was like, we're out of it. We're not dealing with it. And it was very unsatisfying. I was kind of personally at a loss. I didn't know what to do. I had a friend who's a lawyer. He reached out to Ryan, who he attended law school with. I went into it with not a lot of expectation. They're either going to tell us we need to just deal with what we have, or they're going to help us out. Meeting Ryan was kind of like a flashbulb moment. There's a person who actually sees you and hears you and gave me the reassurance that somebody cares, that my problem is real. The reason I felt hesitant to contact any lawyer who could help me with this process was the unknowns, feeling like I'm cold calling somebody and I don't know if my problem is important to them or not. What I learned having gone through this is that Ryan's the kind of person that you can trust. When I was initially working with the adjuster, they made an initial offer which was very low. Worked with Ryan, the result was a 6x increase in what the offer was. The result to me speaks to Ryan's commitment to a case. My family's case is relatively small in the grand scheme of things. I never felt that way as a client. I felt valued and respected in a way that was greatly outsized that number. To anyone who's been involved in an accident, I would say don't hesitate to reach out. I would recommend Ryan Wynn because you can trust who he is and what he does.